Welcome to your quick start guide to using ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT and best practices when using it so you can start saving time writing emails, documents, or just making web browsing much easier and a whole lot more. Alright, you'll first need to go to chatgpt.com in your web browser of choice. You'll need to quickly make an account for ChatGPT, but it only takes 1 minute to make one. So now that you count, I'll just walk you through the interface that you see when you first open it. To the left, you have your sidebar that shows just kind of more important info. Just this is your regular ChatGPT, general use ChatGPT, and then also explore GPTs, which is like the app store for ChatGPT. We'll get into this a little later into the video. If you ever want to hide this sidebar, click this icon, close sidebar, and then you can also use this icon to start a new chat, or just go into this text box. And what you can think of ChatGPT as is it's a lot like Google or Bing, but if Google just gave you the answer. So if you were trying to figure out what you wanted to eat for dinner, you can ask ChatGPT that. What should I eat for dinner? And ChatGPT will then go ahead and give you a couple ideas. So here the first one, it says it's suggesting a warm bowl of pasta. So let's go with that. And so then we can write, give me a pesto chicken pasta recipe. So instead of typing this into Google and searching a lot of different websites for the perfect recipe, ChatGPT will just give it to you right here. And then you can imagine you can keep going, and even here it gives you instructions on how to make it. For cooking the pasta, cooking the chicken, the sauce, and how to put it all together. Now another thing ChatGPT can do is generate images. So let's say I want to generate an image of, how about green chicken Alfredo, or rainbow chicken Alfredo. So I can type generate an image of what a rainbow chicken Alfredo would look like. So now here's ChatGPT generating a brand new image. This isn't an image from the internet. It is making a brand new one. So as you can see, this is not what Alfredo typically looks like. I wanted to have it make something that you wouldn't see in real life normally, but ChatGPT is able to make up anything. Now let's say you're gonna be out of the office and you want to write an email that will automatically send to anybody that tries to email you. So you can ask ChatGPT to do exactly that. Write me a out of office email from October 12th to October 18th. And then here you go, ChatGPT just generated a email for you. You can even change the tone of it. Say you wanted it to sound like Harry Potter wrote it. So this is another thing you can do with ChatGPT is have it act like something. You can also make this email more formal, more informal. Here's referencing Hagrid, magic spells, So a lot of Harry Potter references, the golden snitch also. So another thing you can do with ChatGPT is attach files. So just say you wanted to attach an image, you can also attach Word documents, so it can help you write any documents you're trying to write, or an Excel spreadsheet document. But for this example, I have this random image here of a couch, and let's see what we can make ChatGPT do. What is this an image of? So here it is, ChatGPT recognizes this as a sofa, and then even what kind of design it is. So let's see if ChatGPT can find where I could buy this couch. Find me a place I can buy this couch online. So here, ChatGPT will directly access the internet. See here it says it did search 2 sites. So if you click this chevron and go down, and this is what it used Bing to search. So you can see here, ChatGPT went to Bing and searched tan leather sofa into Bing for you. And then it also checked this website. So ChatGPT is saying, I can buy this couch on house.com. So let's check. And there it is. These are the sofas that I could buy, and that's really similar. That is really similar to the sofa that I inputted to it. And then just like before, we can have ChatGPT modify this image also. So I can say, make this couch green. So here's, you can see what the couch would look like if it was green. And then here it is that you're trying to pick what color you'd like the most, and ChatGPT can do that for you. Now with the image generation, it can get pretty advanced. Let's say I wanted to know what a Ford Mustang would look like in the year 2050. Let's see if ChatGPT can do it. What would a Ford Mustang look like in the year 2050? So this is ChatGPT's best guess. It looks a little more of like a concept car, but even ChatGPT it's not perfect right now, but it can definitely give you an idea. Now let's go over to our sidebar to the left here and go to Explore GPTs. Now you can think of this as a specialized ChatGPT. So over at our sidebar, we have our kind of generalized ChatGPT. But here, these are ChatGPTs designed to do a specific task. So the store has a bunch of different categories: writing, productivity, if you're doing research, education, so you can, if you have kids or if you are in school, you can have ChatGPT walk you through steps on how to solve a problem, or help you rewrite a resume or make a resume if you have, help you understand any data files you have. And as you can see, a whole lot of other stuff. So you have to go ahead and explore it, and they have specialized ChatGPTs that can do a lot of different things. And now I just wanted to get into some best practices of using ChatGPT. So the very first one is the longer you stay in this chat thread, the more data, or you can think of data as more hints. You're giving more hints to ChatGPT of what you want it to do. And ChatGPT can also look back at what you've already said in the same chat thread. And just a quick tip to making ChatGPT easier to use. Now off to the left, it does automatically give it a name, dinner ideas and suggestions, but you can go to these three dots here and go to rename, and you can name it whatever you want. So you can rename it to whatever you think would be helpful to you. Now if we go to the top right and click on your profile picture here, go down to customize ChatGPT, and here we have custom instructions. This will help you a lot. These custom instructions will be used on any chat thread that you are using. So right here, ChatGPT says some things you can write. Where are you based? So you could say you're from the United States or whichever country you are from. What do you do for work? And what some goals you have. You can just type anything that you think it would be useful for. So I can say, I am a college student. You could even write, and then how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So more formal or casual, long or shorter responses. You can even have ChatGPT address you by something. So you could say, provide answers in bullet points when it makes sense. And save. What I just showed you is really just skimming the surface of what ChatGPT can do. You can do a whole bunch of cool stuff with it that won't be in this video, but make sure to subscribe below. And uploading weekly videos on every use case you can for ChatGPT, even how ChatGPT could make you more money, and even generating images that you can't even tell if they're real or fake or not. The ones I showed are the simple version of ChatGPT. So make sure to check back on the channel with that, and thank you for watching.